Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Thursday, June 25th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit today. I don't know. I don't even know. Like, I've been having these really crazy dreams, downloads, whatever you want to call them. Half the time I can't even make sense of them. Like, it's like the meaning comes to me later. And I'm just like, the heck is that? Some of them are just incredibly disturbing. Like, I know I mentioned yesterday how I had a dream the night before. I was choosing a sword from a pile of swords. And there was a bunch of chaos. And but this time it was like, man, it was like a premonition, but I still haven't quite made sense of it. And if I do, I'll let you guys know. But all I know is I do feel something is coming that is going to throw a lot of us off and force a lot of us to return our faith to source, because it's going to be something that we feel we won't be able to do anything about, and we're gonna have to, and that might be the reason why it's happening, is to literally test our faith and test our loyalty to our journeys. All right, so let's get this started here. This is interesting. Okay, so I do feel, those of you who are in a soul connection, whether that's a twin flame connection, a soulmate connection, karmic connection, whatever, I feel that there's a new beginning coming with this. Okay, like a reset, and that, like, earlier this year, I know a lot of us kind of went through a reset with our connections, literally a reset. Some of us actually went through second awakenings, that sort of thing. But I feel like it's more of a clearing of the slate, which I find interesting, because I have, in my own experience, someone offering me a clean slate, which I am not sure I'm going to take, and I'm probably not, honestly, because I don't really believe it's a clean slate. Does that make sense? So some of you might be being offered a clean slate, whether it be if you have, if it's twin flame connection with your counterpart, with a soul connection, with a karmic connection, and it could actually be a clean slate with a situation, like a job, family situation, that sort of thing. But this is interesting that dreams came up when I mentioned that I've been having crazy dreams. So some of you might be getting like premonitions here, and this is a 333. Okay, 333. All right, so some of you might be getting, advice through your dreams, so pay attention to that sort of thing. But I also feel some of you are, when I say new beginning, you might actually be getting new people coming in, like literally new people within your soul group who are coming in, who are helping you with your journey, meeting new people who are awakened, that sort of thing, which tends to empower us when we meet others who are awakened, because we're like, oh, okay, well, I'm not crazy. I'm not the only one who's going through this. No, you're not. If you feel crazy, you're probably going through spiritual awakening. Okay. That's just been my experience, at least with people I've spoken to. Okay. So yeah, wow. So we've got the Ace of Swords in reverse, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Okay. So yeah, it's almost like we are having to cut through these illusions right now. And then this is what I've been saying for a while. A lot of us have been just trapped in our illusions. We're pissed by our illusions. Some of us feel betrayed by our illusions, And so we're having to cut through that, because otherwise, we're not going to have this new beginning that we've been wanting, okay? Whether it's with someone or with yourself or with your path, with source. Could be a new beginning with source, okay? Some of you literally maybe are reconnecting with source at this point, okay? But we have to cut through the bull crap, really. You have to cut through it in order to get through the karma levels. Like, so there's levels of karma that you're clearing, okay, and you heal in stages. So some of you have been holding this lesson hostage because you haven't been um, um, being honest with yourself, okay. And some of you, it's your foundations just are not there. There's no integrity there. There's just none, okay. And that's the thing. All right, so some of you are rebuilding your foundations right now after clearing some major karma, after breaking down some actually towers, things like that, and kind of coming up with an idea of how to move forward, and that's a good thing. Okay, that's a really good thing, and it could be your soul tribe that's helping you. If you're meeting other people on your journey, source could actually be helping your spirit team. However, if you're getting those through dreams and things like that, pay attention to those, okay? And don't let fear stop you, okay? If there's any sort of fear that's coming in, with where you need to move, clear that out. Clear that out, okay? Just know that there's no reason to be afraid. Everything's going to be fine, all right? Don't let ego get in your way here, because ego is going to come in and is going to create these fear scenarios, okay? And is going to basically keep you from seeing the truth as you need to see it, okay? Alright guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.